Hear me. Love from God never brings confusion. The Bible says, he who is faithful in little is faithful in much. Luke 16:10. If a man has no discipline, no consistency, no direction, he is not a covering, he is a project. Any relationship that constantly confuses you is not led by God. Love brings peace. Purpose brings clarity. Confusion is a red flag spiritually and emotionally. Weak men try to dominate what they cannot develop. But a godly man does not compete with strength, he celebrates it. Jesus had boundaries. He walked away from crowds. He said no when necessary. Anyone who makes you feel guilty for having standards is simply exposed by them. If his love disappears when your answer changes, then love was never the intention. Provision is not about riches, it's about stewardship. God entrusts leadership to those who manage well. Love does not hide destiny. Covenant brings covering, not secrecy. God is restoring order. He is raising men of character. He is healing women from emotional labor disguised as love. Before God joins you to someone, he aligns you within yourself. If this word brought clarity to your spirit like this video, subscribe. If this speaks to you, follow at Apostle David Ogunseyin for faith-filled inspiration.